I'm going to talk to you about the use of videos, animations and video iPods at CCW. This is going to be split into two main sections, the staff involvement and the student involvement. To start off with, I'm going to talk to you about the staff involvement. Staff would record a video of a lesson or a piece of cover work, and then these would be uploaded to the internet onto something called iPODs. It's very similar to YouTube. These videos can then be pointed to through using Moodle, allowing the students to watch these videos and have your lesson taught to them. It also could be used as a replacement for cover work, and we're now trying this in the Design and Technology department, where we're creating videos of all of our cover work to replace our written work, and we're also looking for volunteers for this. These videos that you create can also be downloaded to a video iPod, which can be used in your classroom. So this is particularly useful if a student has missed a lesson and needs to catch up with some theory that you've taught in the previous lesson. If you've already created a video of that lesson, you can then allow the student to go away and sit in the corner and listen to this video and watch this video of your previous lesson, teaching them the theory, so that they can catch up and then join the rest of the class in what they're doing afterwards. I found a good example of this is in Design and Technology, where with the Year 7s we do a 10-week project where they make a wooden box, and the first lesson is teaching them how to cut a finger joint. Now if a student has missed that lesson on how to cut the finger joint, they cannot progress on to the further areas of the project. But if I have to take time out to show that individual student how to cut the finger joint during that lesson, that takes my time away from the other students, and to show them how to cut the finger joint takes about 15 to 20 minutes. If I recorded this onto a video iPod and allowed the student that has missed the lesson to go away and watch this, it frees up my time to teach the rest of the class, and it allows that student to learn how to cut the finger joint correctly and then continue and get on with their project. So it allows everybody to get on with their work without slowing anybody down or not holding anybody else back. I'm now going to talk to you about the student involvement. Now this starts off again as the students create videos or they create animations where they use the digital cameras that we have at the school and then create voiceovers for these pictures that they've taken using the voice recording iPods. These videos or animations that they've created can then be uploaded to blogs that we have for them on Moodle, so it's not allowed on the public domain. And these blogs will allow them to share their ideas with other students, and they can also show their interests or knowledge that they have with the rest of the CCW community. The videos that they created can also be uploaded to the video iPods so that they can refer to them later. This could act as a digital folder for them, so that if they had theory taught to them and they created a role play, for example, of that theory that's been taught to them, they could then use that video that they created as a point of reference for when they're revising or need to catch up with some work, or the video that they created could be shown to other students, for example, allowing the students that have been missing from the lesson to catch up with their work. Another tier of this is that the videos that have been created could also be emailed to staff for assessment. It's been suggested that these could be used in French, where role plays would be created by a bunch of pupils speaking in French, and then this could be then assessed by the French teacher as a piece of homework.